Hey, this is Andrew, and if you're working in the field and trying to stay organized, this will help you simplify your workflow. I want to go over quickly how you can document your job site or your construction site with photos in FieldSnapp. Once you're logged in into your account, you will go to Field Data, and from there, you're going to access Photo tab. You just click Photo. Now, before we go on, I will recommend you add FieldSnap as a PWA. It's almost like an app. On your phone, you just tap and add it to your home screen, and it's gonna behave just like a mobile app. So when you're in the field, you can easily just open up from your phone home screen. You don't have to go to the browser. You just open it up from your home screen, and it will just function as a regular mobile app. Now, once you're in the field, you come to photos. We have a few options here. You can take one photo at a time, or you can take two, up to, I believe, 5 photos at a time. Now, what I like to do usually is you can create folders, because I imagine you'll be working multiple jobs, and you don't want to have a lot of photos cluttered in your main dashboard here. So I'll recommend you do is you can create a folder for each job. So let's say we'll just call it tests, for example, for now. And you can actually, another cool thing that we do have in FieldSnap, you can create subfolders. But for now, this is going to be a root level folder. You create that. So let's say today, for example, today is March 23rd, and you want to also at the same time organize photos for each day. So you just click the 3 dots right here, and you can add a subfolder, and you can call it March 23rd. And right there, when you click, you'll see the folder right there. So once you get to your site, you just click that folder, and then you can start taking photos. So it kind of keeps your work very organized. Now, in this case, we will simulate taking photos in one at a time and in batches. All right, you click that. It's going to ask you for permission. In this case, of course, I have my webcam because I'm on my desktop. But once you give permission, FieldSnap, to take photos, you just click yes, use photo. Now, one thing that we do have, you can write a description of what you're taking. So let's say you are taking a photo of AC unit, upstairs AC unit. You can just write here, upstairs AC unit, and use photo. And when you click, you show up on the overlay, upstairs AC unit, the date and the time that you took. Now, another thing is, when you email this photo to your client, they will know exactly what the photo is about. Next, I'm gonna simulate taking multiple photos, because you don't want to, just to make it faster for you. Click that. You can take up to 5 photos in a given time. You take one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, and we can just call these. We can give it the different names. We can say AC unit downstairs. We can call this Okay, we can still use the same description, but this time maybe we want to say this is a back. Probably say this is a side. Say this is front. Say this is top. Once you click done, boom, your photos show up. Let's say if you are in a place where there's poor network, FieldSnapp also has the capability to work offline, and you will see it's gonna show you, okay, photos are offline, will sync whenever you have reliable network. So that's another cool feature that we have. So you can just click here, you see, okay, AC downstairs, top, front, side, back, and downstairs. So all your photos for that day, they're right here. Now, so in this case, you're in the field, and if you come back to your main photo page, you can see the photos are organized by folders, and it's right there. So whenever you're done, you can click here and you can export. You can download all the photos in one single click. So once you get to your office, log in on your computer, download, all your photos will be saved with the overlays, and you can email them to your clients. And now let's check one thing. Let's say you've completed the job and you want to invoice your client. In this case, I did a video earlier where you can create a job, convert the job to invoice. So we should have an invoice here, this invoice. So you've done the AC maintenance job, you have your photos, everything looks good, and you check in with the client, he's happy, and you want to send the client the invoice so that he can pay you. You just click send invoice, and look, this is cool. All the photos that you took, they're gonna show up here. Now in this case, we don't want to just pick any photos, we want to make sure we select the photos that we took that day, and it's gonna be right there. And I believe you can, you can attach as many as you like. And photos will be attached, will be included in a separate attachment. It's going to be a PDF attachment. So your client will get invoice PDF separate, and proof of work with photos separate. And in that same email, it's going to have a payment link where your client can click and pay you. But in order to get that working, you need to have integrated with either Stripe or PayPal. And you can also sync your invoice to QuickBooks if you like. You can do that. But that's one cool feature that many of our clients like. You complete the job, send the invoice with photos attached. Everybody's happy, the client is happy, you get paid, and you move on to the next job. Well, if you found this helpful, you can give FieldSnapp a try using the link in the description for a 7-day free trial. No credit card required. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.